Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the SafeMoon. What's the current price of the SafeMoon? What's the prices occur in the SafeMoon? In this video I will show you friends, and especially in this video I'm talking about the very important update of the SafeMoon. So please keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you are new on my channel so please kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel, and also like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. Anyways, let's start the video friends and let's move on friends. If we talk about the current price of the SafeMoon, so 0.000008 USD dollar is the current price of the SafeMoon. On the other side, if you look the prices occur in the SafeMoon, so the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week prices occur in the SafeMoon as going negative friends. Absolutely, a lot of people also ask me this question: that why the SafeMoon price is going down? In the start of this, in the start of May, the price of the SafeMoon is going up. But now, what's the reason behind it? Why the SafeMoon price is going down? Quick, fast occur in the SafeMoon. So let's see, my friends, the price chart from more details, and I will try to understand the few friends. As you can see here, now if you look the previous time in the start of May, a lot of holders buy SafeMoon token, especially the short-term investor buy SafeMoon token. So as you can see here, when the SafeMoon is in the profit, when the price of the SafeMoon rise, so they decide to sell SafeMoon. And now still at this time the short-term investor going to sell SafeMoon. That is why the price of the SafeMoon is going down minute by minute, hour by hour, day by day, because the short-term investor going to sell SafeMoon. That is why the price is going down. And so that's the reason behind that. Anyways, if you look, the price changes occur in the SafeMoon in the last 1 day in the 24 hours. So negative 16.42% changes occur in the SafeMoon in the last 1 day in the 24 hour, and the highest price is 0.00009 USD dollar. What's the reason behind that? Why the price is very low, high friends? Now that is only the last 1 day, that is why the price is very low. But I hope that that's a temporary fast, and after a 1 day fast, after a 2 day fast, they again start jumping. Remember that. Please my friends, don't do this mistake, especially for my viewers, for my subscriber. I suggest for all of you that please hold it, don't sell it. If you sell SafeMoon at this time, so you are in the loss. As you can see here, the change as in negative, so you are in the loss. Hold it and make profit with the SafeMoon friends. And also share your prediction about SafeMoon in the comment box. My prediction is 100% positive. As I told you that after 2 days fast, they again start jumping. So don't sell it, and it's time to hold SafeMoon. Anyways, what's your prediction? Please also tell me in the comment box. And once again, I request all of you that please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates video.